Presenting the Godrej Eon Microwave Oven with a revolutionary inverter technology. This sleek microwave oven comes with an inverter magnetron that actually cooks food at different power levels as against a non-inverter magnetron, which keeps switching on and off while cooking. The inverter microwave oven thus ensures that your food gets cooked completely and evenly. The Godrej Eon Microwave Oven with inverter technology cooks food up to 15% faster and defrosts frozen foods up to 40% quicker. The microwave oven helps retain food nutrients as against boiling or steaming on a burner, since it cooks so much faster. The aesthetically designed microwave oven comes with backlit buttons, a double-side grill stand and a crusty plate. It allows you to make your favorite food oil-free. You can even bake Indian breads and make garlic bread with just a push of a button. Give tadka to your curries with minimum oil and also make breakfast items, snacks, desserts and soups. Imagine making your favorite food items like tandoori chicken or chocolate cake without the need to select power levels or time. Thanks to the 355 InstaCook menus which come preloaded in the microwave oven. Cook the best Indian and international food items using the InstaCook recipes. You can make paneer, ghee, curd, and idli and appam batter at home. The kitchen assistant allows you to peel garlic easily, cut onions without tears, and do much more using this Godrej microwave oven. This microwave oven also saves up to 11% of power, makes up to 7% lesser noise, and is up to 24% lighter than conventional microwave ovens. Now, also get a trio bowl set free with this microwave oven.